Here is our new sublimation 3D heat press machine. Here is the printed picture. You can see. Stick the picture to the cup. Remember, stick it very firmly using a tape. Now you can see the picture is firm on the mug. Here is the rubber clamp. You can see the green rubber clamp. Stick it on the printed picture very firmly. Remember to attach it firmly. Here we go. You can see the mug, bottoms up, face down. Keep it in the machine and close it. It's ready to dough. Turn on the power. Set the temperature to 200 degrees. And the time is 8 minutes. And let's start the machine now. Start. Here is the way we make the iPhone cover picture. This is the plastic iPhone cover. This is the mold for the iPhone cover, and fix the plastic cover onto the mold. Here is the printed picture for the iPhone cover. Stick the picture on the phone very firmly. Use the tape. Remember to stick it very firmly. Here we go. Cut the 4 corners of the picture using the scissors. Keep the printed picture with the mold and the cover into the machine. We can have 4 covers at a time. Cover the vacuum plate. Press the vacuum. And close the machine. There we go. Set the temperature to 190 degrees and the time is 6 minutes. Here we go. The plate is a very beautiful decoration crafts. Before we use the old machine to make the decoration on the plate, it can use 8-inch, 10-inch, but we need to change the heating pads. You can see it's very difficult and very problematic. The picture comes out is not at all clear, not complete. Sometimes the picture is half, sometimes the plate is broken. So here we introduce our new machine to make the decoration on the plate. Here you can see it's the same as we did for the mugs. Take the picture, stick it with the tape, put it in the machine. You can have 2 plates at a time. Cover the vacuum plate, turn on the vacuum and cover the machine. And here is the setting of the machine. The temperature goes to 195 degrees and the time is 7 minutes. To get a proper clear picture on the plate, we advise our valuable customers to use a piece of paper and arrange it on the plate so that the plate can become 100% vacuum free. Here we get the airtight plate.
然后跟我们现在拍出来试一下。
Here you can see the difference between the 2 plates. The plate on which we use the paper is completely airtight, it's vacuum free, and this plate is not vacuum free. Here is the sublimation crystal. This is the sublimation glass. Here you see is our sublimation rocks. These are the sublimation tiles, and this is the sublimation acrylic. For years we have been using our old machine to do the decoration on the sublimation articles, but the result was not very perfect. Sometimes the pictures were not clear, not vivid, and sometimes incomplete. So here we introduce our new 3D sublimation heat press machine. We invite our technicians to show us how we can do these beautiful crafts on this rock. Here you are. This is the printing paper. The picture, we can paste the picture on the rock using a tape. Remember, make it rigid. The tape should be very rigid. Here you can see it's ready for the sublimation to print. We can have our sublimation articles in the machine, cover the vacuum plate, press the vacuum button, and close the cover. The settings for the machine are as follows. The temperature is 200 degrees. The time is 8 minutes. Here you can see our technician wearing the sublimation t-shirt. You can see it's very popular fashion amongst the youngs. You can see our more sublimation t-shirt here. This is the way how you can get the t-shirts made a picture on your t-shirt. Here is a printed picture. Here is a cotton t-shirt. To make the picture on the t-shirt, we need a smooth glass surface. Here we go. Put the glass surface inside the t-shirt. Here is the picture I need on the t-shirt. Place the picture on the glass. Use a tape to stick the picture on the t-shirt. Put it in the machine. Here we go. Adjust the size of the t-shirt according to the machine. Close the vacuum tray. Turn on the vacuum. Close the machine. The settings for the sublimation t-shirt is temperature 190 degrees and the time is 3 minutes. Here are the small wine glasses. Can you see? It's very popular in the Western countries among the youth and also in the bars. Now our 3D sublimation machine can do a magic. We can have these printed pictures on the wine glasses. Before, no machine can do this magic, but now the 3D machine can do. This is a special mode for the wine glasses and the cover to make it tight. Our technician will show you how we can do the pictures on this. Here is a picture that you can print. Stick the picture on the glass using a tape. Stick it firmly. By the time I can help him to put it in the machine. Here we go.
Okay.
Close it very tightly so the air cannot pass through it. Now our wine mode is ready to keep it in the machine. You can see this sublimation tape is no use for the tray. The tray, we need to take it out and fix the wine glasses mold with the pipe. And it's ready. Here is the vacuum. You can see the cups gets the vacuumated. close the machine. This is the batch. We need to do the sublimations on this. The quality of the batch should be same like the iPhone cover. It should be 100% high temperature proof. You can see this is the old batch. It is divided into 3 layers. You can compare this. The old batch need the sublimation is very difficult and it's a long time process. Now our new machine can do this magic in few seconds. This is the mode for the batch. Our technician will help us to do the pictures. This is a printed picture we need to stick on the batch using a tape. Here you see this batch is ready to put it in the machine. Put the mode in the machine, cover the vacuum plate and start the vacuum. It's ready. These are our new range of products printed by our new 3D sublimation heat press machine. First, do you remember we put the cups in our machine? Our cups are ready. Here we go. Open the clip. Take off the paper. Wow, a beautiful mug is ready. This is our new product printed by our new 3D sublimation heat press machine. Here is the 8-inch ceramic plate. The picture is printed by our new 3D sublimation machine. Here we go. Take off the tape. And the beautiful ceramic plate is ready. So this is the magic of our new 3D sublimation heat press machine. Now we introduce the process of the maintenance of the machine. Open the cover of the machine. There are 2 screws. Open the screws with the screwdriver. Open the cover of the machine. Here is the air filter. There is a bottle attached to the air filter. Pour the extra water out. Attach the bottle again to the air filter. Here is the air pipe. We suggest our customers to keep the air pipe out in the outlet so all the waste and the smell will go out. Attach the cover back. Fix the screws back with the help of a screwdriver, and here is your machine safe and sound. After the prolonged use of the machine, you need to change the silicone cover and try to avoid the sharp objects to break the silicone cover, or maybe sometimes due to the overheat it gets burned, so we need to change the silicone cover. Here is a new silicone cover. Our technician will help us to show how to change the silicone cover. Take the end of the silicone covers and put it in the molds. Press it hard. Press all the four corners of the covers into the plate a little harder. And here it goes. Here is your new silicone cover ready for use in the machine.